Jamie Foxx, you...
What's that?
Kanye West.
Huh? Kanye West?
You kind of failed to see
man.
his genius, didn't you?
First of all, the way I even met, and I blew it, but I didn't blow it, but it worked out. I know it's not making sense because I haven't told you the story yet, but what happened was that I'm throwing a party for Puff. I throw all these parties at my crib. So I'm throwing a party for Puff, and Jay-Z's there, and Pharrell's a big party. And this kid walks in with a backpack on, and his jaw is busted. And I said, who's that? And they said, that's Kanye West. I said, what do you do? They said, he raps and, you know, he produces for Jay-Z. I said, well, everybody that comes to my house got to perform. I gotta see what this dude had. So I walked up to him and I said, yo, man, they say you do your thing, you know, you rap. And he killed with this freestyle. It was amazing. I said, wow, boy, you gonna be famous, right? And then he said to me, he said, I have a song that I think that you would be great on if we could go to the studio and do that song. I said, man, what? I'm trying to get in the music business. Let's go, because I wasn't in the music business. And I happened to have a studio at my crib. So we go in the back.
Well, yeah, we heard that, yeah.
But the reason I did that because I would throw parties for musical people so I could try to get on a record. So that's why Puff and Jay-Z and all them were there. They didn't know. But we go in the studio, and he says, the song goes, she says she wants some Marvin Gaye, some Luther Vandross. I say, I got it. She says she wants some Marvin Gaye and some... He said, yo, what are you doing? I said, well, you know, you don't know R&B. See, I'm an R&B singer. See, I got to put the R&B thing on it. See, I got to do that. He said, don't do that. He said, just sing it simple because it's, you know, it's hip-hop. And I was like, all right. So I sung it begrudgingly, thinking this song is whack. He's not going to make it. It's not going to work, right? So I left, and I went and did a bad movie, and I came back.
But your jacket.
I went and did a bad movie, and I came back.
You really did it, though.
It was terrible.
You really took a chance.
It was horrible. I do this bad movie, I come back and I'm in Miami, and my boy was like, yo, remember that song you said was whack? It's #1 in the country.
Wow.
And so that's how you get it wrong, but right sometimes.
Yeah, woo, well done to you.